A community plants trees along a road. The number of trees planted in each section forms an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 8 trees. The 12th section contains 98 trees. How many trees were planted in the first section? Let us write the given. Common difference of 8 trees. So common difference is 8. On the 12th section, 98 trees. So A sub 12 is 98. So our n here is 12. So how many trees were planted in the first section? So A sub 1 is unknown. So formula A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub n, that is our A sub 12, that is 98, equals A sub 1 is unknown, plus n minus 1, that's 12 minus 1 times d. So 98 equals A sub 1 plus 11 times 8, that is 88. And subtract 88 from both sides, we will have 10. A sub 1 is 10. So there are 10 trees in the first section. So the answer is 10 trees. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!